guys, I am back with my 10th day with Louis Vuitton. So I got the item here and I am so excited for this piece. It is one of my all-time favorites. But unfortunately, this piece has already been discontinued. So anyway, let me show you what I've got. And right here, wow, and it is a Louis Vuitton compact wallet. So this one, I think this has been discontinued last year. I'm not 100% sure. I know that I purchased this, I think this here. I have no idea. I think this is actually one of the pieces that were left over. So it is a Sarah multi-card wallet in monogram and a combination of this beautiful grained leather right here and a gold hardware. So the leather, actually they said it's in red, but it's in French. They actually called it more likely a coquelicot, which means a combination of red and orange. This one is red with an orange undertone like that, but the color is absolutely amazing. So shiny. Look at that. Wow, just love it. I just love this combination, guys. Right here on the inside, it says Louis Vuitton Paris made in, right here, France. This one has a gold foil in it, stamped. That's because it has a gold hardware. It has this beautiful snap closure. It is so easy to close and it's so easy to open as well. This one has those beautiful, lovely compartments. It is more likely an accordion type of wallet. Oh my gosh, guys, this is actually my all-time favorite. It is compact, and look at that right there. Those beautiful compartments. This one could fit a ton of cards. And this rivets on the corner, as you guys could see, it's also beautiful. And the interior entirely is amazing, and the canvas actually complements perfectly, but with the gold hardware, the red color, the canvas, everything for this is perfection. But I don't know why Louis Vuitton actually discontinued this piece. Wow, they have several multi-cards though that are in the past, which also became my favorite, but I don't know why they discontinued that. Maybe for some reason. I don't think it's faulty, because this one, I've been using this quite a lot and I love it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments right here. They're actually pretty generous though. And okay, so let me just close this. On the side, that's how it looks. It is so beautiful. And the color is, oh my gosh, the color is to die for actually. So let me just put some cards in here and show you the actual credit cards and how many cards could actually fit on this beauty, okay? So right now, I actually filled this 1 card on each side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots right here, but I actually put on each slot, I put 2 cards. 1, 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8 cards right here. So it's all up to you if you wanted to fill them, double them, but in my case, I've never doubled this. When I use it, I have to make it sure that I will be putting on the cards that were most used cards, because I don't want to double it. I don't really want to put pressure on the rivets right here. So that's why. So anyway, so they have 2, 4, 6, 8 cards in here. Let me close it. Okay. And it actually closed perfectly. It looks fine. Open it. And that's how it looks. And I really love the fact that when you open it, you'll see all your cards right there. And you could just pull it just like that. Pull the cards like this and no problems at all, and you could easily put it back. And this one I could easily just slip it in any of my purse. It is compact. The color is so beautiful. It has this beautiful lovely pop of colors where you can, when you have a dark interior in your purse, you could easily find this. You could easily locate this item. That's because of this beautiful color right here. And surprisingly, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this one is around less than $300 as far as I remember when I got this piece. And I'm so excited. That's because it has already been discontinued. I reached out with my SA and she said, we'll source it out for you after a week, and they found one for me. And I don't know if this particular piece would still come back, but hopefully they're going to come back with a lot of different colors. I know there are a lot of different variations of colors that came out in this piece, and I was just hoping that they will come back with the same price though, because it is useful. It is, I love the combination, the color combination, the canvas, the leather with it, the gold hardware, the price as well. And actually, this one is crafted beautifully, guys. I really, really love the accordion type from Louis Vuitton. It is my all-time favorite. So yeah, it's all up to you in this particular piece. If you wanted to double it, if you wanted to put cards in each sides, I mean, of course, you're gonna have to take care of your investment. You're gonna have to make it sure that, you know, I mean, Louis Vuitton would repair, but as much as possible, I'm avoiding repairs. I mean, I really love that, you know, when you purchase something from Louis Vuitton, like when something broke or whatever, when stitching were undone, they could do that for you. But I just really hate the wait. For some reason, sometimes you have to wait several months to get it back, though. Even if it's just really a minor repair, it just takes months and months, though. So anyway, this is my Louis Vuitton multi-card Sarah wallet, and she is looking beautiful, and I hope that Louis Vuitton would bring this one back. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!